But bored. Those are the 5 exotics. Aren't they cool?
Yeah, they are.
Do they have beautiful colors?
Yes, I think so.
Look at how many exotics I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What you are going to do with them?
We're gonna see who's the fastest. This is Pagani Huayra, Aston Martin, Lamborghini Huracan, Aston Porsche Carrera GT, and Lamborghini Aventador J. Let's open them! The first one is the Pagani Huayra. Second one is the Aston Martin 177.
That's a cool color.
Then the next one, the third one is the Ray Lamborghini Huracan. Next one is the Porsche Carrera GT. Last car is Lamborghini Aventador J.